Welcome again. In this lecture we will talk about the Dahlander motor. But the question in your mind is that, what is a Dahlander motor? So simply we can say that a Dahlander motor is a three-phase AC induction motor which can work on two speeds. So the Dahlander motor can work on two speeds according to our need. So it's a three-phase induction motor and we use it in the purposes if we have a variety on speed. So this is a shape or a model of our Dahlander motor, and this is its internal structure. So the Dahlander motor has two ways of connections according to the speed which we want. So if we connected it from A and B and C, so from these three terminals, so these three terminals on reality will be A and B and C from this terminal box. So it will work on the first speed. But if we connected it from 1 and 2 here and 3, so on reality they will be 1 and 2 and 3, so it will work on the other speed. So according to the connection of our supply from these three terminals or from these three terminals, we will have our speed which will be output from our Dahlander motor. So for case 1, if we connected it with A and B and C, so we will find that we have the total impedance. So we have these two series impedances and these two series impedances and these two series impedances. So we will notice that the resistance or the impedance is increased, but the impedance is here inversely proportional to the current. So the current will be decreased. And also when the current is here decreased, so the speed will be increased as we have an inversely relationship between the current and the speed. So at A and B and C we will have a higher impedance and lower current, so then lower or higher speed. And the other case is that if we connected our motor with 1 and 2 and 3, so we will find that the impedance is lower. But why? Because this impedance and this one is out of our circuit, but we have only these three ones, not the series here equivalent for these twos. So when the impedance is decreased, so the current will be increased, and from this relation also when the current is increased, so the speed will be decreased. So at conclusion we want to say that if we want to make our motor works on the higher speed, so we will connect it from A and B and C, and if we want it to work on a lower speed, so we will connect it with 1 and 2 and 3 as the impedance will be decreased.